Hey everyone and welcome back. Today we are tackling a tech term that might surprise you. Computer. So what does computer really mean? The word computer itself doesn't have a specific full form. It simply refers to a machine that can perform calculation and manipulate data. Think of it like a car. We don't call it combustion engine, roadrunner on wheels, right? Car is a simple term for complex machine. Similarly, computer is a straightforward term for a powerful calculating device. You might have heard the computer stands for Common Operating Machine, purposely used for technological and educational research. These are the full form of computer. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone who enjoys browsing the web, computer are the essential part of our modern world. So the next time you hear the word computer, remember its fascinating form, the incredible potential it holds. What are your favorite ways to use your computer? Share your thought in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.